Have you ever wondered why your summer vacations are getting hotter each year? It's no coincidence, it's climate change, the culprits, the greenhouse effect and carbon emissions. But what does that mean? The answers lie in understanding the science behind climate change. Imagine our Earth wrapped in a blanket. Sounds cozy, right? Now let's delve into what this metaphorical blanket actually represents. It's the greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, like carbon dioxide and methane, that act as this blanket. They trap the sun's heat, preventing it from escaping back into space. This phenomenon, known as the greenhouse effect, is akin to how a greenhouse works, hence the name. This effect is not inherently bad. In fact, it's absolutely essential for life as we know it. It keeps our planet at a comfortable average temperature of about 59 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius, instead of an icy cold 0. The problem arises when we add too many greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, thickening this blanket and trapping more heat than necessary. This is where the balance of our atmosphere gets disturbed, leading to global warming. So the problem isn't the blanket itself, but rather the thickness of it. Now, what if I told you that we are inadvertently adding extra layers to this blanket? A daunting thought, isn't it? You see, it's our carbon emissions that are primarily responsible for this. Carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, is released into the atmosphere when we burn fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas. Our machines, our industries, even our cars, they all contribute to this process. The more fossil fuels we burn, the more carbon dioxide we pump into the atmosphere. And the more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the thicker our blanket becomes. As this blanket thickens, it becomes increasingly effective at trapping heat from the sun. This trapped heat in turn causes global temperatures to rise. It's a vicious cycle, really, and one that we've set into motion ourselves. The impact of this? Well, it's as if we've reached over and cranked up the dial on the planet's thermostat. In essence, we are turning up the thermostat of our planet. So, to put it all together, we've journeyed through the science behind climate change, a tale woven around the greenhouse effect and carbon emissions. We've unraveled how our planet behaves like a greenhouse, trapping heat from the sun. We've discovered that this natural process is being amplified by human activities as we pump more and more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This thickening blanket of carbon dioxide traps in more heat, leading to a warming planet. The impacts are clear, from melting ice caps to scorching summers, and they're set to intensify if we don't take action. Understanding these concepts is the first step towards making a difference. Because the question is not just why our summers are getting hotter, but what we can do about it.